Hi everyone, Heartland MLS is excited to be offering live streaming open houses in Matrix. As an agent, I'm excited about using this beneficial tool not only during the pandemic, but beyond as well. Hey Amber, hey Annette, how are you?
Hi, good. How are you?
I'm well. Thank you both for joining me here today on my first live virtual open house. How did you guys hear about it?
I saw something on Facebook about it.
Great.
Yeah, I saw it when I was on Realtor.com browsing around on there.
Good deal. Well, I'm glad you both are here. This is a great house. We have a lot of flexibility with how we can market live stream open houses to the public. Obviously, social media and emails are always options, but since you're adding live stream open house links to your listings in Matrix, that information will also be syndicated out to national portals like Realtor.com, Homes.com, and Zillow. It's also important to keep in mind the difference between live stream, open house, and virtual tour. You never include a link to a pre-recorded video in the live stream open house field in Matrix. These are intended to be live, interactive videos. So as we walk through, you come to this really nice gourmet kitchen. This is really a great space for people to hang out, families to congregate, things like that. You've got a lot of built-ins. Be sure to plan your live stream in advance. You want to create a list of all the features that you want to highlight in your video. Create an outline of all the components that you want to cover in your video, and don't forget the outside of the home. With a little bit of extra work, you can host an open house and sell your customers' homes virtually just as successfully as you could have in person. You may even want to practice running through your tour in advance just to make sure you feel comfortable, but also to make sure the technology is working smoothly. Do you guys have any questions? Is there anything specific that you're looking for in a house that I can help point out for you?
Well, Jeff, I work from home. Is there any office space set up in this house?
Okay, great. Annette, you're going to love this house. This is built with you in mind. If you need a home office space, this one is probably just about the best you can get. You come up the stairs and you go up just a half flight before you make the turn. And right here at the half flight mark, you are in the home office space. I hosted this open house on Zoom. This gave me the ability to see my customers face to face, which you can also do on WebEx and GoToMeeting. But if you are more comfortable on a different platform like Facebook Live, this will work on those platforms too. But since the audio and video is just one way, consumers would just type in their questions for you to answer. If you want to make a big impact, consider a day of live streaming sessions. You could do a couple in the morning, you could do a couple in the afternoon. This way you could attract as many buyers as possible. This could also allow house hunters the flexibility to work your open house into their schedule if they're attending multiple different open houses on the same day. Overall, live stream open houses are a great option for this time of social distancing, but this could also be a great tool for out-of-town buyers and a great way to connect with consumers who might not have otherwise attended an open house in person. You must make a reasonable effort to discover whether or not the client is under an exclusive buyer agency agreement. If so, any dealings on that property need to be done so with their representative or the broker. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy live streaming.